Have you ever opened Microsoft Office Word and your document suddenly disappeared? Or maybe Excel started showing a bunch of hashtags instead of numbers? Or maybe your PowerPoint just decided it didn't want to save your presentation 5 minutes before your meeting started? If you've ever experienced any of these, congratulations, you're officially a Microsoft Office user. The good news, most Microsoft Office problems are easy to fix once you know exactly what's causing them. In today's lesson, I'll be showing you 6 common Microsoft Office problems and exactly how to fix them like a pro. Let's jump right in. Problem 1. My file didn't save. This happens more often than people like to admit. Imagine spending 2 hours typing a report only for your computer to just shut down. Painful, but don't worry. The common cause of your file refusing to save could be the fact that your computer shut down unexpectedly, or you accidentally clicked don't save, or autosave wasn't turned on. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to open Microsoft Word, go to File, Info, Manage Documents, Recover Unsaved Documents. If Office recovered your work, you'll see it here. Also, remember to save regularly. Ctrl+S is the shortcut if you're using a Windows compliant computer system, but it is Command+S to you if you're using a macOS product. Don't forget to click that. Every few minutes, click on it and you're going to thank yourself later. Problem 2. Excel is showing hashtags instead of numbers. Look at this. Instead of seeing my numbers, I see this. At first glance, it looks like Excel is angry. It's not. It's simply saying, I don't have enough space to display this value. So here's what we're going to do. Just move your mouse between the 2 column headings, double click, and boom, the column widens automatically. Your number comes back, problem solved. Sometimes the easiest solution is just to give Excel more space. Get what I mean? Problem 3. My formula isn't working. So this one scares beginners. You type equal to B2 multiplied by C2 and Excel literally displays equal to B2 multiplied by C2. What happened? That cell is simply formatted as a text. Excel thinks your formula is ordinary writing. So this is what we are going to do. We'll select the cell, change the format from text to general. Now press F2. Then press enter. Magic! Excel now calculates your answer. Excel isn't ignoring you. It's just saying, you told me this was a text, so I believed you. Problem 4. Word keeps correcting my typing. You're typing someone's name, let's say Chukwuebuka, and then all of a sudden, Word automatically corrects it into something you literally don't care about, or it just keeps capitalizing a word you do not want. Very annoying, I know, but here's our solution to that problem. Go to File, Options, Proofing, and we click on Autocorrect Options. Here you can remove unwanted automatic corrections. You can even create your own shortcuts. For example, typing ADDR automatically becomes 123 Main Street.
Problem 5. PowerPoint is running slowly. Have you ever opened PowerPoint, added 20 animations, 10 videos, 30 pictures, and all of a sudden your laptop sounds like it's about to take off? Well, the simple problem is that you are overburdening your computer. So what's the solution to that problem? Simple. Compress pictures. How do we go about that? Go to picture format, compress pictures, choose an appropriate resolution. Also, remove unnecessary videos and animations. Very important. Just because PowerPoint has 50 animations does not mean every slide of your presentation needs all 50 of them. Sometimes less really is more. Problem 6. Microsoft Office is not responding. This message scares everyone. I mean, it used to scare me too, but I have a simple solution to that problem. Wait a minute. Office might simply be processing a large file. If it still doesn't respond, close the application. If it doesn't respond, restart it. If these continue even after that, restart your computer. Still happening, simply repair Microsoft Office. And how do we go about that? Go to Control Panel, Programs, click on Programs and Features, then you see Microsoft Office, click on that, Change, then Quick Repair. Most problems disappear after this. Quick recap. So today we learned 6 common Microsoft Office problems. Number 1, recover unsaved documents. Number 2, fix those mysterious hashtags in Excel. Number 3, correct formulas that aren't calculating. Number 4, control autocorrect in Word. Number 5, speed up PowerPoint. And number 6, fix Microsoft Office when it freezes. See? Nothing supernatural, just simple fixes. I've got a challenge for you. Open Microsoft Office today and try one thing that you learned in this video. Maybe recover a file, maybe create a formula, maybe compress a PowerPoint picture. Learning happens by doing, so don't just watch, practice.
So we've come to the end of this video. This video helped you solve a Microsoft Office problem. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because we have many more beginner-friendly Microsoft Office tutorials coming your way. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who wasn't afraid to click around and learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.